What's up, guys? Midway through this job. This is the beginning of the video, but this recording is in the middle of the video. Simply for the fact I got a secret weapon for you guys for pet notice stains. You know, I'm all about efficiency, quality, plus saving a little bit of money. Well, after trying out this product for the last 2 weeks, I'm convinced this is my go-to from now on, and I think it's going to be yours too. So stay tuned, and we're gonna let you know what that product is called. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. First of 2 jobs today. Just a move out. Not too bad. It's got an odor in here, so we're doing an enzyme. A little bit of pet staining around the front door there, but majority of it is not. I think that the odor is probably, she probably had a cat box, because we went and vacuumed through here like 6 times. Brenda went through it 6 times trying to get every little, you know, the sound of dirt coming up, you know, cat litter usually. Or just dirt from out front here, as you know, Brenda's sweeping that out so we don't track any in. But yeah, pretty straightforward. We're going to do a little treating on the stains and stuff that I noticed we had with the light. I'll close this so you can see. Yeah, see? Just in this area for the pet stains, but the rest of it just needs. So I'm gonna go through here after I treat that with my pet stain and odor remover, the stains itself. Then I'll go through with my liquid alive and just kind of go through the place. Young lady, she didn't pay yet, and voiced her. She needs the receipt for the property management. Before she left, she gave us a $60 tip. I'm like, wow, that's pretty generous. So yeah, there isn't any more stains. So we're gonna go through here. We're gonna hit it with the liquid alive first, then we're gonna use the carpet detail like usual, and we're gonna go ahead and agitate too with the multi-wash and get that odor enzyme to encapsulate the whole fiber, you know. All right, stay tuned. So we've already put down the enzyme, the spot and stain and odor remover for those areas right there, and then went through and put some liquid alive throughout the place. Let it dwell for about 10 minutes. It wasn't so extreme, and then pre-sprayed it, and she's agitating now. So she actually did quick agitation while the deodorizing was doing its dwell time, just to get a kind of better encapsulation of the fibers. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull out the hoses now and get started. So we got this new product I've been using for the last 2 weeks. I talked a little bit about it about a couple weeks ago, but I wanted to actually try it out to make sure it was a good product to recommend. And yeah, stay tuned and I'll let you know what that is. Don't cheat and fast forward, all right? Don't do that, guys. And by the way, like it while you're thinking about it. Go ahead and like the video and stay tuned. Alright guys, so this new solution, Enzyme spot odor removal product that I've been testing out. There's a big reason why I wanted to test it out was because the price, for one thing, okay, the price is about the same as Undoes It, which is a product I use a lot. The only problem I have with the Undoes It is just I don't like the smell. It's not pleasant, you know. So I was trying to look for something that in the same price range it smells better. Well, this product smells better. Actually smells like lime. On top of that, Undoes It actually is recommended on the bottle is no dilution. It's ready to go. Although I do dilute it about 50-50 most of the time, unless it's really bad. Just to save money, and it works like that. This product, guys, is 4-to-1. So the bottle, you mix 4 parts this product with 1 part water. No, sorry. 4 parts water, 1 part this product. So you're actually kind of getting 4 bottles of Undoes It for the price of 1. I'm not knocking Undoes It. It's a good job. It's a good product. Been using it. Works, and I'll still use it if that's all I've got. But come on now, you're getting, for the price point, you're saving a whole lot of money. On top of that, the person whose product it is, they're a great company. Nice, very nice people. Great customer service. They got a lot of videos out there too that they're showing their work and their products. I use different products to them too. So great customer service, so I want to support them. Great products at a great price. Man, guys. And now, if you're taking my course, you know already, or if you've seen my videos, I talk a lot about it in my YouTube channel also, is making sure you got one of them UV lights so you can spot the problem areas for pet treatment, Enzyme, because providing Enzyme not only it kills the whole source of the problem, kills the bacteria that cause that upstanding odor, which regular cleaning don't do. So if you clean the carpet and you didn't do that and it needed it, and you didn't know it needed it, you could get a call from your customers saying, well, it smells like pee now. No, it's not your fault. It kind of is, because you should have seen that, right? And then if you did see that, you're passing up a lot of money. Okay. Now, the name of that product is, I'll tell you in a minute. Hold on. All right, all finished up with the carpet cleaning. Smells a whole lot better in here. Carpets came out great. Worn fiber, polyester, right there in that area. Once it all dries up, it all lightens up a whole lot better. Yeah, there's nothing you can do about that really. You can do it post spray of peroxide based, like 20 volume, and it'll help out a little bit with that shading. But other than that, they should get their deposit back. I'm gonna lock this up. I know I got you guys hanging on, don't I? You know what, guys? Watching my videos, awesome, very much appreciated. And liking my videos, awesome, very much appreciated. And subscribing, of course. Commenting, you know, all that kind of stuff. But it's like the watch time that really helps. My goal is to help people out there, educate people in carpet cleaning who want to start their own business, and just educate the homeowners. Just kind of know what they're doing when they're hiring a carpet cleaner. Watch time. So keeping you hanging on here for a little bit. I may be pissing off some of you guys, but don't worry. I'll totally redeem myself in a minute here. Okay. So Brenda's putting away the hoses. I love that. I don't like putting away the hoses. Okay. I'm gonna get right around here, Brenda. All right. So this is it, guys. For the price, you can't beat it. The product works. It's also a odor destroyer, pet stain remover. I've been trying it out on my jobs, and you know, and it seems to be working. You don't know any enzyme, when you put that fluorescent light on there, it's going to show up, and probably about 50% of the time, no matter what you're using, it's going to totally disappear. Sometimes it takes a little bit if you kind of do a post of like peroxide and stuff like that, but you're not going to be able to see it visually. It's going to be gone. But the stuff works, smells good, saves me money, and I recommend you guys start buying this stuff and supporting this company because they're awesome. And the company's name is Sager's. You didn't know? You know that I use their Sager Super Sealer, which is the best sealer out there, period. Easiest. Price is good. And it works great. And I use Sager's Code Red. Okay, that stuff's awesome for heavy soiled carpet, restaurant carpet, greasy carpet, or just residential that's in really bad shape. And now I'm using this P-Line Lemon Scent Pen Odor Destroyer. This product's been out for a while, you know. I mean, it's been out for a while, and I'm surprised he's not pushing it a little bit more because the price is awesome, and like I said, the company's awesome. So yeah, guys, go ahead and order these. Order this for your Enzyme treatment. Make sure you got a UV light. I'm about to bust out a couple $100 and get a better one. I mean, this is one I have now. Not bad. You know, you gotta turn down the blinds a little, you know, kind of get a little darker to see best with it. But there's another one out there, Trump Plant forums. Apparently, you don't. It could be like broad daylight and you can see it. So get that, get this, and you're gonna add a 30-year income. You're gonna put a third to half, right? So if you walk in a job and the job's for $100 and then need an enzyme, it's gonna be about $140. For 2 rooms, $180. So that's what I charge, $40 an area, $40 a room. And if it's really, really bad, you know, kind of go up from there. So that's it for this one, guys. We're gonna go to our next one. It's a small job. I'm not gonna, about the same size, but we're not gonna record. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Don't be mad at me that I had you hanging on. All right, just trying to up my my YouTube recommendations, you know.